the house. Okay, Martin, this is the central vacuum where it's located. Again, when we were inside, there are tubes running through the house that bring the dirt from that location through tubes right into this vacuum.
So the PVC pipes into the actual central unit itself?
Correct.
Okay.
The central vacuum is something that you may have to maintain maybe once a year, maybe twice. And inside this, you're going to have a paper bag.
Okay.
The paper bag is biodegradable.
That's
so
great.
when we throw it away, there's no problem with landfills. Inside there's also a filter. The filter protects the motor from overheating, just like a conventional vacuum. That filter has silver clear. Silver clear is a coating. What that does, it stops any growth inside, meaning bacteria. Not only the going green theme is just to do with air pollution, it's also noise pollution. Noise pollution is where you're inside a house, your family's vacuuming, portable with a canister vacuum. It's very irritating. No one likes to hear that noise. Central vacuum, where it's located, is outside the environment. So you will not hear but anything. You won't hear one bit of noise when you own a central vacuum inside the house.
What we have just seen is a traditional central vacuum system, which is a fantastic improvement over a portable vacuum cleaner. But now we're about to take a look at the ultimate. So this is the state-of-the-art automatic central vacuum wet-dry system. And joining us to talk a little bit about the capabilities of the system is Martin Sevigny, the founder and man behind Drainvac, the company himself, correct?
Thanks for having me.
Of course. Welcome to Designing Spaces Think Green. So, off the bat, what makes the system automatic compared to the one we saw before?
Well, the main thing is about that system is you don't have any bucket to empty. There's no paper bags to buy or throw it away after a year. There's no cartridges or foam filter to clean and put it back after 2 years of service or maintenance. So that system, what it does actually, it picks up dirt, dust, even if it's wastewater on your floor. It will be filtered by the water. It will go into the side of that tank. The machine will fill up and then shut up automatically, goes into the drain. After 15 seconds, the cycle just going on and on and on. That's a never-ending cycle. You totally forget about your system. It means it's fully automatic. There's no service, there's no maintenance at all.
So it's self-contained. I never have to touch the dirty water, the dust, the particles, breathe it in.
Absolutely.
And obviously what makes a difference there is the water element.
Exactly. So the water element, which is good, is if you wish to clean your carpet, upholstery, it's all those types of things that the machine can do.
Yeah, and a lot of times when you have to shampoo or clean your carpets, you have to rent a completely portable unit.
Portable unit.
You don't have to do that anymore with a system like this.
The system will do it all.
Automatically for you.
This system, there's so many purposes to that. Food store can use it. Restaurant, hotels, apartments, condo, and so forth. There are many.
So it's a great commercial application, not just residences, obviously.
Exactly. Drainvac, we are international, so this system you see here has been selling in Europe for almost 2 decades.
Wow.
So we're bringing this technology from what we've learned through the years here to U.S. market.
So tell me about the pipes, Martin, that I see up here.
Okay, here you've got your main intake. This is connected to your piping network inside of your house. And here, the second pipe, if you see here, it's related to your outside exhaust. So every particle that hasn't been filtered by the water will be exhausted
outside the building,
outside of the building of your house.
What if we cannot install an outside exhaust vent? Let's say we live in an apartment or a condo.
We have another option, is that cartridge is here. That's a HEPA filter that filtrates up to 99.9% particle in the air. So that's the option that will give you the same efficiency that if you would have an outside exhaust.
Okay, and I see you have a machine in your hands, so we can prove that to you in terms of the actual air pollutants that will not be coming out if you have this filter installed.
This is a ppm, the particle counter. This will measure the amount of dirt, dust that went through the paper bags, and you will see the efficiency of this filter.
And that stands for particle per million.
Particle per million,
So
exactly.
if it reads 0 next to the filter, that means we're not breathing in air pollutants, correct?
Exactly, totally.
Where did this idea come about?
Well, my dad 30 years ago has a former carpet cleaner, and he was really tired of carrying wastewater, fresh water from the system to a toilet and then back and forth. From that main problem born the automatic system.
Wow, that's a great story, Martin. It proves the old adage that necessity is the mother of invention, huh? Your dad's a genius.
And he better be watching.
Well, listen, I want to thank you and Robert for showing us how we can live a greener lifestyle by maintaining a healthier home. Now, is there a website where folks at home can log on to get more information on the different models for Drainvac central vacuum systems?
They can go directly on Drainvac.com.
Or you can log on to my website at thinkvacuums.com for more information or to order product.
Great. Now, you folks at home, remember you can also log on to designingspaces.tv, then click into the Think Green section to review everything that you've seen here today. For Designing Spaces, Think Green, I'm Martin Amato.